So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a new platform and 2 ways at which you can make money from this platform even when you have no big capital to start up a new business. Now, as a matter of fact, with less than $20 a month, you can set up a new business that is going to be paying you money for a very long time. So far, you are consistent with this business model I'm about to share with you. So all I want you to do is stick around, watch these videos to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so thank you for joining me once again. And like I said earlier, now the name of this platform is called Selar. And what Selar does is that it allows you to host a product on their platform and use the platform to sell the product. So if your product is a digital product or a physical product, now you can host your product on Selar and use it to market your product. All right, so even when you don't have a big capital to market this product, all right, so you have an idea to create a product but you don't have much on ground to market this product, now Selar is a good place where you can host your product and find buyers for the product on the platform. And also, one of the good reasons why you want to use this platform to sell your product is that you can easily get paid in any currency. So irrespective of your location, irrespective of your country, if you want to target any country in the world, now using Selar is not going to be an issue for you because you can literally get paid in any currency. So let's say you are in Nigeria and you want to host a product on this platform and you want to sell to the US. Now you can host your product on this platform and get paid in USD. So if you're in Ghana, you want to sell to Nigeria, you can host your product on Selar and get paid in Naira. So you can use this platform to sell to any country, and getting paid in their currency is no longer going to be an issue for you. All right, so let's check out what you can actually use this platform to sell. All right, so one of the things now you can use Selar to sell is that, like I said earlier, now you can use this platform to sell a physical product. So if you have a physical product and you are having issues with payment gateway on how to get paid for your product, now you can come over to this platform, host your product and get paid. Also, you can use this platform to sell digital product. So if you have an event or a workshop and you want to charge for ticket for people to join your training, now you could also host this on Selar and use the platform to get paid. So if you have a subscription based system that you want to charge people for, all right, this is also what you can do on Selar. And if you are a freelancer and you want to charge for your service, but now getting paid is an issue for you because you don't have access to payment gateway that you can use to receive payment in USD. All right, so with Selar, you could actually host your service and use this platform to get paid. So let's assume you're a freelancer, or let's assume the people you are working for wants to pay you with PayPal, and PayPal is not working in your country. Once you have your services hosted on Selar, now they can easily pay you with PayPal because PayPal is one of the payment gateway on this platform. And the good thing is you don't need to have a working PayPal before your customer can pay you via PayPal on this platform. All they do is that they're going to get paid on your behalf, and once the money is received on your behalf, now they would settle you based on your local currency and send the money directly to your local bank account. So if you also have an online course you want to sell, you could also host this product on this platform and get paid for it without any issue. Okay, so you could also stream online, you could create a membership course and so many other things like that. All right, so like I said, so if you don't have much now for marketing, now what you can do is leverage on Selar affiliate. All right, they have an affiliate platform also where you can host your product on the platform, then leverage on the affiliate they have to promote the product. So in this way, what you want to do is now you want to set up a commission for this product. So let's say you have an online course or you have a digital product and you are charging $100 for this product. So you could list this product on their affiliate marketplace and let the affiliate sell the product on your behalf. All right, if you are selling the product for $100, your affiliate is going to be making $50 from it if you are charging 50, if you are giving out a 50% commission for this product. All right, so if 50% commission is okay for you, you could do that and if you feel like 20-30 is okay, so just give out the commission based on how much you are willing to give out. But the higher the commission, now the higher affiliate you're going to get to promote the product for you. So now the first way at which you can make money on this platform is to host your own digital product or any product you want to sell. So, and like I said, so if you think you have an idea but you don't know how to turn this idea into a product, or you feel you don't know how to create a product that you can sell on this platform, now what I would suggest you do is come over to platform like Fiverr. So when you come over to Fiverr, you can see that some of the gigs on Fiverr is that you can actually create an online course for you. So you don't have to be the person per se that have to create this online course. So you could give them the idea and they will turn this idea into a course for you. All right. So once the course is done, you can now go back to Selar, then host this digital product on the platform and get paid for it. Now, leveraging on the affiliate, now you could host your product on the platform and get paid months after months, even without doing anything. All right. So this is one of the first advantage you get, okay, to host products and make money on this platform. All right. So the second way at which you can actually make money on this platform, as you already guessed, is by being an affiliate. All right. So if you think you can't host the product yourself, if you feel you cannot create a product yourself and you still want to make money on this platform, now the second method at which you can do that is by becoming or coming to the affiliate area, then sign up to promote other people's products. All right, so all you have to do is just come over here and click on get started. All right, so once you've created an account with them, I think becoming an affiliate is going to cost you around 2,000 naira per year. Okay, and for you to host a product on the platform, they have a free plan and they have a paid plan. I think their paid plans starts from 8,000 naira per month. All right, so for the affiliate, you could also come to the affiliate area, then explore the list of products they have on the platform. All right, so as you can see, what you want to do is you want to come over here. All right, so you can search for product based on categories. All right, so as you can see here, we have wealth and finance, we have marketing and sales, we have software and tech, we have fashions, we have health and beauty, sports and gaming, automobile, health and fitness, and several categories like that. All right, so let me just click on one and let's see how this is going to look like. All right, so as you can see, so these are products listed on this platform. So all you want to do is you want to click on get links here. All right, so once you click on get links here, you'll be able to copy you'll be able to copy or get your own unique affiliate link for this product, and when you sell via this link, you're going to make a commission for it. All right, so as you can see now, this particular product is going to give you 50% commission. So when you promote this product and get sale, you're going to get half of the price of the product. And as you can see now, the second one here is giving out 10% commission, and the price for this is 9,000. So when you promote this, you're going to get 9%, you're going to get 10% of the actual price. So the second way at which you can make money on this platform is by becoming a seller. All right, and before we round up, I actually want to mention that I personally have my affiliate course on this platform. All right, now the affiliate course is a step-by-step guide on how I've been able to generate money using blogging to promote affiliate product. All right, so I have this product on the platform, and if you are interested in this product, I'm going to add the link at the end of the video so you yourself can actually check it out, get the product yourself, or if you want to promote it, just let me know and I'm going to make you an affiliate for the product, and you're also going to make 50% of the product price. All right, so this is basically how you can use this new platform to make money. So it's either you host your product or you promote other people's product and get paid in return. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question about this video, please drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.